Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of language on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem or the issue of language on Roblox, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this will enter to the window or to the app of Roblox. And you can go to the window of Roblox here. You can click. Then this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment or 3 seconds to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.